the swoosh was at the Prestige Awards yesterday, and I went on stage and they all clapped and they said, "What is it you do in hair replacement then?" And I went, whoosh. That's what I do. And they went, "What do you mean?" Whoosh. I said, "I am hair replacement, this is hair replacement, this is my swoosh look." Whoosh. And they went, "Oh my God." So basically it went down really well. Right, okay, so back from that, just do a little bit of maintenance with the swoosh, good hairline. Right, that'll do. Pretty sure it looks okay. Right, okay, so I took my other hair system off, and hate saying Right, 12 weeks of use for that one. I've had this one cut in, so I'm alternating two. I'm gonna be honest with you, that other one's dried up quite a bit. So yesterday I took it off, got myself ready, and then put a deep conditioner on it, and I'm gonna show you now. Okay, so you can see that I've cleaned it and I put conditioner in it and I let it dry. So that's now been almost 24 hours. Though I try my hardest to make sure not too much comes through onto the lace. And the reason being, look, it's all logical what I try and teach everybody. Good quality hair systems I'm talking about, not those things, other things we see. But if the conditioner's through there too much and the delicate knots which we're known for, it's bound to loosen them. So I am a bit careful of putting too much conditioner through or leaving it on too long. I'm going to wash that off now. Let me see if I can do that one-handed. This could be fun. I'll wash it off now, and I've got both hands, and literally just let it come off, brush it through, and then let it dry naturally, okay?